Hey everybody, it's Jason from Frank's Homestead, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to repair a camper roof. Last spring here in the winter we had a tree fall just on the hill behind me here and landed on top of my camper and put a couple holes in it. But all I want to do is show you how I plan to fix it and keep the cost down and keep it simple. What I've got is I found some old duct work, and I'm going to cut some pieces off. I'll clean around the hole real good, cut out a piece that's about the right size, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put roofing tar around it. I'll put the sheet metal on top of it. I'm going to screw it down, and then I'm going to tar over the whole thing. Okay, so like I said, start by cleaning it off, make sure it's nice and dry. I'm not too worried about this membrane that's on top that's peeling off because I plan to reseal the roof when I'm all done repairing the holes. What I'm using is this Henry's Wet Patch Roof Leak Repair. I'm not sponsored by them or anything else, but I've used it on many roof projects and it works really well. What I've got here is an old putty knife that I've been using for years. I just keep reusing it over and over for putting on roof patch. Works great. No reason to throw it out. First thing I'll do, get some on my putty knife. I'm just going to smear it all around. I'm not trying to fill that hole in, just mainly around it. And I'm going to take my piece of metal and just make sure it's going to be big enough, and it is. I'm going to put it right over the hole, push it down in to that roof patch. I'm going to take my screw gun. One in each quarter should be enough. Give it the pressure so it's laying flat. Put some pressure on it to squeeze out the excess. Take my putty knife again. And spread that extra roof patch back onto it. This way it'll cover the screws, keep them from rusting out, and it covers it really well. Just smooth it out and let it dry. Well, there you go. It's as simple as that. That's gonna work out really good. It's gonna cover that hole. It won't leak. And like I said, once I'm all done patching the rest of the holes, I'll just buy some white membrane seal that's made for campers, and I'll recoat the whole thing, and you'll barely be able to notice it. The best part about it is it didn't hardly cost me a thing. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful and informative.